Have you ever wondered if the people around you are truly sincere? Do friendly smiles and sweet words sometimes hide jealousy and lies? We often think we can recognize those who are genuine, but in reality, it's not always that simple. Jealousy and deceit can be well hidden, making those who harbor these feelings the most dangerous. Imagine this. You're celebrating a big success at work, surrounded by friends and colleagues congratulating you. But something feels off. Could there be someone in that crowd masking their jealousy behind their kind words? Their smile may seem warm, but their eyes tell a different story. These subtle yet powerful signs can help you detect jealousy and deception. In today's video, I'll share 10 effective ways to identify these traits in others, rooted in the timeless wisdom of Stoic philosophy. These lessons have endured for thousands of years, offering not only emotional resilience but also the ability to recognize and handle jealousy and deceit. By applying these principles, you'll become not just stronger, but wiser in building and maintaining relationships. You'll learn how to protect yourself from toxic connections and create a more peaceful, fulfilling life. Before we begin, I have a small challenge for you. Watch this video until the end and don't miss a single lesson. Each one is crucial in helping you stay true to your path and live a life of clarity and peace. If you're ready to embark on this journey, leave a comment below saying, "I am ready." 1. Observe their actions. One of the core teachings of Stoic philosophy is, don't believe in words, believe in actions. A person's actions are the truest reflection of their nature and intentions. Words can be manipulated, disguised, or even fabricated, but actions reveal the truth. Pay attention to contradictions between words and behavior. Someone might appear friendly and supportive, but their actions could tell a different story. For example, a colleague who praises your success might secretly undermine you behind your back. Their words may sound kind, but their behavior exposes their true intentions. Ask yourself, have you ever encountered someone who promised to help but never followed through? Have you noticed inconsistencies between what someone says and what they do? These signs often indicate insincerity and hidden jealousy. As Marcus Aurelius once said, waste no more time arguing about what a good man should be. B1. Actions are the ultimate proof of character. Consider a friend who always says they'll be there for you, but disappears when you need support. Their behavior, not their words, defines their honesty and reliability. Observe how people behave when they think no one is watching. When there's nothing to gain, do they still act with integrity? These moments reveal a person's true character. By focusing on actions rather than words, we not only see the reality of those around us but also reflect on our own behavior. After all, our character is defined by what we do, not just what we say. 2. Evaluate their response to your success. People's reactions to your success can reveal their true feelings. Those who are genuinely happy for you will celebrate your achievements. But jealous individuals will struggle to hide their envy. Jealousy often manifests as subtle criticism, fake compliments, or an attempt to downplay your accomplishments. Some may even spread rumors or try to sabotage your success. There's a saying, the only person you should try to be better than is the person you were yesterday. A true friend or supporter understands that your success is a reflection of your growth, not a threat to them. Think back to your last big achievement. How did the people around you react? Did they celebrate with you? Or did they seem uncomfortable, dismissive, or critical? Those who truly respect and support you will express sincere joy for your progress. Their encouragement will be genuine and free of negativity. Meanwhile, those harboring jealousy will find ways to minimize your success, calling it luck or questioning its significance. So, what should you do if you recognize jealousy and deceit in someone close to you? Will you confront them, or will you distance yourself for your own well-being? Stoic philosophy teaches us to let go of what we cannot control. Instead of engaging in cycles of jealousy and lies, focus on self-improvement and surrounding yourself with genuine relationships. 3. Notice how they treat those who can't benefit them. A key principle of Stoicism is that respect and kindness should be given to everyone, regardless of their status. A noble person does not look down on others. When observing people, pay attention to how they treat those who have nothing to offer them, whether it's a waiter, a janitor, or someone in a weaker position. True character is revealed in these moments. Sincere, thoughtful individuals treat everyone with respect, whether they're speaking to a CEO or a service worker. They recognize that every person has value. On the other hand, Jealous and deceitful people often show kindness only when there's something in it for them. When dealing with those they consider unimportant, they may become dismissive, rude, or arrogant. If someone's attitude shifts dramatically depending on who they're speaking to, take note. This kind of behavior is a strong indicator of insincerity. By observing these subtle behaviors, you can better understand who is truly sincere and who may be hiding jealousy or deception behind a friendly facade. Recognizing these traits in others is an essential skill for protecting yourself from toxic relationships. By applying Stoic wisdom, you can develop emotional resilience, strengthen your connections, and live with greater peace and clarity. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you ever experienced someone masking jealousy behind kindness? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're ready to take control of your emotions and relationships, stay tuned for the next lesson. Be cautious. How jealous and deceitful people reveal their true colors. Jealous and deceitful people often expose their real nature when dealing with the vulnerable. Take, for example, a colleague at work, someone who is always friendly and respectful toward superiors but rude or dismissive toward service staff or those of lower status. This behavior signals deceit and jealousy. They don't respect people. They respect power and personal gain. Such actions reveal deep insecurity and pettiness. Observing how others treat those with no power allows you to reflect on your own behavior. How do you treat the vulnerable? Recognizing and correcting shortcomings in yourself is a step toward true Stoic wisdom. Always remember, the way people treat those with lower status is the truest reflection of their character. Are you ready to start observing and identifying these behaviors? Try applying this method in your daily life and notice the difference. 4. Distinguish between praise and flattery. Excessive flattery is a red flag, one that many overlook. Sincere compliments are constructive, while flattery often masks hidden motives. Remember, what others say about you is far less important than what you believe about yourself. Your self-worth should never be dependent on external praise, especially when it lacks authenticity. When receiving an overwhelming amount of compliments, ask yourself, does this praise genuinely reflect my achievements? Is this person trying to gain something from me? Flattery is often a tool used by jealous individuals to either manipulate you or mask their resentment. As Marcus Aurelius wrote in Meditations, it's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters. Compliments can be enjoyable, but when they are insincere, they may be used to lower your guard. A clear example is the workplace. Some colleagues may shower you with praise in public but never support you when you actually need help. They might smile and flatter you to your face but criticize you behind your back. Recognizing and handling excessive flattery helps protect you from insincerity and fosters a more authentic way of living. Always be mindful of why someone is complimenting you. Stay grounded in your values and never let flattery cloud your judgment. Have you ever been overly flattered? How did it make you feel? Share your experiences in the comments below. 5. Monitor consistency. When evaluating someone's sincerity, look for consistency in their words and actions. Stoic philosophy teaches that actions, not words, reveal true character. Saying something is easy, but doing it is difficult. Ask yourself, does this person uphold their values in all situations, or do they change based on convenience? Do they act differently depending on who they are with? A deceitful person cannot maintain consistency for long. They may seem warm and friendly when they need something from you but turn cold the moment you are no longer useful. For instance, someone might praise you publicly but privately belittle your success. If their actions repeatedly contradict their words, take note. It's important to observe patterns over time rather than judging based on a single instance. Another way to test consistency is by watching how they treat others. A genuine person is respectful and fair to everyone, regardless of status. They won't flatter one person while ignoring another just for personal gain. Think about the people in your life. Do they stay true to their values no matter the situation? If not, be cautious. These inconsistencies often reveal hidden jealousy and deception. We are halfway through our journey today. Thank you for your presence. Your support helps us spread the wisdom of Stoic philosophy. Please like and share this video to help bring these lessons to more people, building a world with more sincerity and peace. Leave a comment with "Always observe carefully" to show that you're ready to continue your Stoic journey. 6. Observe their attitude when criticized. Marcus Aurelius once said, "If someone is able to show me that what I think or do is not right, I will happily change, for I seek the truth, which never harmed anyone. It is the person who continues in their self-deception and ignorance who is harmed. A wise and sincere person sees criticism as an opportunity for growth, not as a personal attack. In contrast, jealous and deceitful individuals often react with hostility. They may become defensive, lash out, or even attempt to discredit the person offering feedback. Have you ever noticed someone becoming visibly uncomfortable or aggressive when criticized? This may indicate insecurity or an unwillingness to admit flaws. Consider leadership as an example. A good leader listens to constructive criticism, knowing it helps them improve. A deceptive or insecure leader may ignore, dismiss, or even punish those who offer honest feedback. Now, ask yourself, how do I react to criticism? Do you take it as an opportunity to learn, or do you instinctively try to defend yourself? The answer can reveal a lot about both yourself and those around you. Before we move to lesson number 7, here's a question. Have you ever met someone who constantly judges and compares others? If so, it might be time to re-evaluate your relationship with them. Let's explore why in the next lesson. 7. Pay attention to unintentional comparisons. Daily conversations are full of subtle comparisons. While they may seem harmless, they often reveal deep-seated jealousy and insecurity. According to Stoic philosophy, listening carefully to these remarks can help you identify insincere individuals. People who frequently compare you to others often do so because they feel threatened by your progress. Instead of celebrating your success, they try to undermine it by making you feel like you're never quite good enough. For example, a colleague constantly compares your achievements to someone else's, making it seem as if you're falling behind. A friend always brings up another person's success whenever you share good news. These comparisons are not about you. They are a reflection of their own insecurities. Recognizing these signs can help you distance yourself from those who secretly harbor resentment. Jealousy and deception can be difficult to detect, but by applying these Stoic principles, you can sharpen your awareness and protect yourself from insincere relationships. Which of these lessons resonated with you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments, and let's continue this journey toward wisdom and emotional resilience together. Jealousy and deceit often stem from deep-seated insecurities, leading individuals to mask their true feelings with subtle manipulations. One common tactic is making comparisons that diminish others. Imagine achieving a significant milestone at work, only to have a colleague respond with, "That's good, but I think John is still better." This isn't just a casual remark, it's a sign of jealousy. Instead of offering genuine support, they seek to downplay your success. Recognizing these unconscious comparisons can help you identify who truly supports you. Genuine friends appreciate you for who you are, without the need to measure you against others. Ask yourself, who in your life frequently makes these comparisons? Are they people you should trust? Stoic philosophy teaches us to treat external opinions as beyond our control, protecting our inner peace from being influenced by such remarks. When faced with demeaning comparisons, reflect on how they make you feel, but don't let them dictate your self-worth. Instead, focus on your growth and maintain emotional stability. How people handle failure reveals their true character. Failure is an inevitable part of life, but how one responds to it speaks volumes about their integrity. Strong, honest individuals face setbacks with humility, acknowledging their mistakes and striving for improvement. They see failure as a learning opportunity rather than a reflection of their worth. On the other hand, deceitful and jealous individuals react differently. Instead of taking responsibility, they blame others, external circumstances, or even twist the narrative to protect their ego. If you've encountered someone who always shifts the blame when things go wrong, it may indicate insecurity and dishonesty. A person's true nature is often revealed in times of adversity. Observing how those around you react to their own failures can help you determine whether they are genuine or merely putting on a facade. The way someone shares personal information reflects their authenticity. Marcus Aurelius once said, "The soul becomes dyed with the color of its thoughts." This means the way people speak about themselves and others offers insight into their true character. A sincere person shares their experiences with humility, emphasizing personal growth rather than self-glorification. In contrast, a deceitful individual exaggerates their achievements or even fabricates them to manipulate others' perceptions. Pay attention to how someone discusses their failures. Do they take accountability, or do they shift blame? Similarly, watch for signs of malicious gossip. Jealous people often spread personal details about others to elevate themselves or create division.
If someone frequently speaks negatively about others, chances are they do the same behind your back.
Trust your instincts. Have you ever felt uneasy around someone despite their seemingly friendly demeanor? That's your intuition warning you. While logic and observation are essential, your gut feeling can alert you to inconsistencies in a person's words and actions. If someone frequently competes with you, offers insincere compliments, or makes subtle jabs at others, these could be warning signs of jealousy and deceit. Instead of ignoring these feelings, take time to analyze why you feel this way. Your instincts, combined with careful observation, can help you identify those who may not have your best interests at heart. Final thoughts. Jealous and deceitful individuals can appear anywhere, in close relationships, friendships, or workplaces. Their actions may be subtle, but by applying these insights, you can recognize them and protect your emotional well-being. Stoic philosophy teaches us to focus on what we can control, our reactions, choices, and mindset. Instead of wasting energy on negative influences, surround yourself with genuine people who uplift and support you. Life is too precious to be spent on those who secretly undermine you. Stay true to your values, and let your inner strength guide you toward peace and fulfillment.